Hello everyone, welcome to the May newsletter. I'm Murtaza, your employment coordinator, and I'm here to give you a quick update on what happened in May in the Career Services Department. Let me start with informing you all that two of our accounting and payroll graduates from Markham, Ms. Vijayashri Uthaya and Mr. Kantharatnam Shantikumar, were hired successfully with two of our recruitment partners, that is CSI and Vitrace. In addition to that, two of our graduates from ECA, that's the Early Child Care Program, have been shortlisted for offer by Nursery Support Services, which is another recruitment partner that we've tied up with. We've been successful with partnering with Home Concierge, Home Instead, CBI Home Health, Perfect Solutions, and Solar Services for hiring our PSW graduates. And lastly, we also have Beanfield Metro Connect, which is a large mobile and telecommunications company, which is partnering with us to hire our IT students. So we have a lot of good news for you all. And we'll be sending across a lot of job opportunities to you in your mailboxes. Keep looking out for my mail and happy applying to the jobs. Additionally, we also started conducting workshops on resume writing, and we've already completed with 3 batches of with the PSW students and 1 with the ECA students. We'll be shortly sending out invites to the other faculties. And please look out for these mails and join these workshops in large numbers and benefit from them. That's all for now, and have a happy June, and look forward to you all participating in the workshops and applying to the jobs. Happy job hunting. Bye-bye.
Good morning, students and graduates. My name is TJ Wazir. I'm the Vice President for Student Success at Computek College. In the last few weeks, you've gotten messages from our Student Success Coordinator and our faculty manager, Dr. Burhi Gautam, with regards to the workforce development research that Computek College is conducting. Today, I'm here asking you for the same support. There's a lot of students and graduates that have completed the survey, but we need more. This week is our last week in order for us to complete the survey successfully. Please, I would urge every one of you that have received the link to take the moment to start it and complete it. There is going to be questions you might have not known an answer for, but we can guide you. Contact your instructor or one of our student success team members that can help you complete the survey successfully. By completing the survey, there are benefits to it. The real benefit is for us to understand from our students and graduates what kind of improvement can we make in the program, what kind of skills that we can help our students with so that they're successfully employed in the future. Again, the chance of you winning an iPad is also there by completing this research survey. So take a moment, start your survey, and please ensure that you're completing. For those of you that have already completed the survey, I thank you very much. You take care and have a wonderful day.
Hi, my name is Rabita and I'm from India. I have a hospital administration background from India, and after coming to Canada, Computek College was my first school to start with. I did the medical office assistant diploma at Computek, and I'm so happy to be the part of Computek College with a group of awesome teachers and mentors who actually guided me to explore the Canadian health industry. I got my job right after my course at SE Health, which is a home healthcare agency, there as a service coordinator. And I'm so happy to recommend Computek College to others as well. Thank you.